Welcome back, traders. In this video I'm going to be taking a live gold trade, okay? So I'm going to explain exactly why I'm entering this move as we go along and why I'm targeting where I'm targeting, okay? So, well, we're obviously going to see how it plays out. Let me just mark up my 1R, okay, just so I can make it risk-free as we go through the video. So it would be 6072. Okay, that'll move my position to a half a pip in front of my stop loss, in front of my entry. So let's get straight into it. So what I'm seeing on gold, I'm seeing a clear downtrend. Now I've just done my daily analysis, which has just been absolutely wrecked. I was saying I was going long today, but due to closing past this key level, I'm going shorts now. Okay, in half an hour, a lot can change, especially in these volatile pairs. So I then seen, I flipped down to the 5 minute, and what did I see in the 5 minutes? So I seen a clear downtrending price action structure. Okay, we're just melting. So, you know, I do get that we have had a candle close wick, okay, indicating that we can flip back up, but I'm not going to try and predict the market. So the reason I decided to enter this is because this recent 5 minute candle had flipped the other way, which significantly increases my probability of not getting faked out. And what do I mean by not getting faked out? I mean that price doesn't just do this, okay? Okay, by going back means that we should just continue going up, okay? So instead, if the price opened and went down straight away, just know that you have a less probability of it going down unless it just keeps on melting. You have a low probability of actually winning the trade. So by price going the opposite direction first and then coming this way, drastically improves the probability. So I've seen that happening on the 5 min, okay, from this pause pullback, indicating that price has already pulled back on the 1 minute, and now we've reached the high. Okay, so then I scaled down to the 1 minute, found a breaker structure on this low, okay, where you just see me put this now, and I put the stop loss above the high. Okay, doing that just protects myself. So if it does come past this high, I do not want to be in the trade. It's likely that price is going to reverse the opposite direction. Now we can see that gold is coming down. Okay, we did struggle to break this level, so it could have been a nice counter trend trade, but by knowing the direction on the 30 min, the 5 min, and now the 1 min, we have three confluences in line with each other telling me that I should be selling the market. So as soon as I seen the 1 minute break the low, okay, of the most previous candle, I thought it's going to be a pretty good time to enter the market. Now we could get stuck into this retracement, okay, and then carry on going back up, or we can have gold absolutely tank down right to my 3% profit target. And the reason that I decided to target this is because this is the low of the most recent structure. I don't know where else to target, especially on the 1 minute. We can see this is a very high probability of coming back to this level before potentially reversing for the rest of London, or absolutely destroying our take profit, okay? So I'm happy taking the risk on this one. I've just risked 1% like I always do, for a net profit of 3.08% if we do win this trade. Okay, so I'm just going to put in where I'm going to make, obviously I've got the risk-free line here. As soon as we hit 1%, I want to move it to risk-free, okay, to take the risk off the table. So I'm going to put this into 1 pip. Even though we've not hit, I'm not going to move it. I'm just knowing where to move price. So 6216 is where I want to move my stop loss to. 6216. Okay, let me just check my phone. Yeah, just gonna make this risk free now. Now it's gonna be realistically our make or break level. Okay, if gold wants to reverse, it's gonna go and do it now. Hopefully not. And by me doing these every day, it's drastically improved my trade, and I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my life, let me tell you now. Like, I've never had so many trades go in my favour. I've just been taking like one a day, you know, for this live recording, and these aren't normal. I shouldn't be winning this much, but, you know, this is part of trading. I will also go through brutal losing streaks, I'm very sure of that, and, you know, so I'm, you know, keeping my mindset neutral and not getting too excited, not over leveraging, not over trading, not over risking, keeping it systematic, okay? And now we have broke past this low. This is a good indication that price is going to keep continuing down, okay? Hopefully we can hit it, but let's just be patient. Where's it? 5.8. Does look a tiny bit different on my charts, just because I'm using an IC markets broker. You know, they're well, factor in spreads, but it does look good. Just gonna be patient with it. Hopefully we can carry on rocketing down. Okay, so it's very clear. I hope that I made that very obvious, because this is a very powerful strategy when done correctly. You know, just getting the direction up to 30 min, scaling down to the 5 min, making sure it's in Confluence, finding a pullback on the 5 minute. Now this can be a pause pullback, which is these candles, or a true pullback where it pulls back with actual candles. But yeah, this instance I took a pause pullback, and we've entered on the flip of the 5 min, okay? So we were going the opposite direction, and I've just pretty much entered on the prediction that we're going to keep rallying down, okay? Now it's a safe time to enter the trades. Hopefully we can actually go and hit the targets. Well, I'm going to be patient. I'd rather this video not be too long. But we've had a nice move for now. Let's just check what we're up. 2.45%. Okay, so we do not have a lot of movements to go. You know, gold just can rally straight back up. So let's just be patient and see how it plays out. But this is going to be our live trade for today. Okay, so we did flip back. Looking like we're going to continuate down now. Okay, now we flip the opposite direction. But the 5 min did flip. How long have I been recording this as well? Yeah, not too long. Around 7 minutes. Okay, so now I'm just realistically debating what is the best option to do with these live trades. You know, because I don't actually edit my videos, so I wouldn't want this to take too long. But this is just my mind playing on me. Like, I still get it. And it's, you know, just not reacting to these impulsive thoughts. Like, it's now saying, well, should I close my trades, you know, so we can have the video? But then I'm not going to be reaping the, you know, rewards of actually holding my trades to the very end targets. But then I'll have a shorter video. We're just going to see how it plays out anyway. If it hits break even, I'm going to upload it just so you guys can see anyway the break evens, like I said yesterday. This is our live trade for today. But I also think it will be good if you guys do see my losses, see my break evens, just so you know what's a realistic outcome of your strategy. And now I'm looking at our top left, the 2 candle engulfing. Just reminded me about the video that I will be uploading. Okay, 2 candle engulfing, so powerful, especially when traded correctly. And so is the strategy that I've just shown you guys now, so powerful. And yes, I would have liked to demonstrate a win, but I can't predict the markets. Well, I can predict the markets, I just can't predict that it's going to be a win every time. So I do get, it does look best when you guys can see a win, but it's just not the reality of all trading. So if this video does have to be a tiny bit longer, or if I have to use my first editing skills on cutting it and cutting back to when the trade finishes, I will do that. But let's just see. Wait and see. I'm going to leave a timestamp anyway, okay? So you guys can just go and skip to the valuable parts. Come on, golds. We literally went the whole way to our take profit. But that's the game, okay? Now these little volume wicks at the ends do signify the obviously retracement. Okay, this is the entry pattern that I use to enter the Fibonacci, okay? That 1 minute scalp on Ethereum. Okay, if we can break this low, it's going to look good for continuating. Okay, we can definitely see that gold is in a key level pulling back. And it's looking good. I just do want to mention something that I will not... I guess I can just cut the video, to be honest. Let's have a look on the 5 minute. How's that closed? Okay, so we had a pause, pullback candle. Okay, did pull back to a 1 minute Fibonacci 705 level. Okay, did close below this key break and retest level. Didn't break any candle highs. Absolutely no reason for me to close, to be honest. The reason I want to close is just to keep the video short. See, these are new emotions that I've got to deal with. It's actually pretty interesting. Because I've never had, oh, you should close it. Like, I normally don't even think about it. I enter, and I don't have any reason to close unless the 30-minute tells me that it's going to go the opposite direction, which realistically would either take me breakout even, or I'd be already at a loss, so that's pretty invalid anyway. But yeah, the new emotion is, should I cut it now just to keep the video short? I've always got something in my mind telling me. But it will never go. Like, these emotions never go. That's what I've realised. You just become better at managing them and realising that you aren't your thoughts, you know? It's just your mind telling you what you should be doing. Like, oh, you should close now. I think it's going to reverse off absolute no facts or feelings. Oh, I feel like it's going to reverse. Maybe I should close now. Or now's the new one is, why don't you just close, take your profit, secure it so you can post that on YouTube for your video. Okay, but that's going to damage my results long term. Okay, why would it damage it? So if I did close out 2%, okay, and this comes and hits my 3% profit target, I've just missed out on 1%. Me doing that okay, as I talked, we finally hit the take profit. Yeah, I've now been taken out. It nearly didn't then, just because of the spreads, but we've taken profit. That is our 3% trade for today. Now, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys see my psychological battle. It did really help me just talking it and saying it out loud, okay? Because these are new emotions for me, like recording it live. I don't want to be recording 400 videos a day trying to get one perfect trades. I've realistically been doing one. And that's why I'm saying that I'm going to keep doing this forever. Like, it puts me on my A game when I'm, you know, knowing that I'm recording my videos, knowing that I'm doing my analysis. So I'm here to stay forever, okay? Till the day I die, I'm trading. Like, my family members understand it now. Like, they used to doubt me in the first 2 years. But when I'm talking, like, I have an uncle who's hit 7 figures in his trade. He told me to give up. He said, if you're not profitable in 2 years, quit. Which, well, I was, and that's why I'm blessed. And now our conversations are completely different. He talks to me with respect, absolute respect. 'Cause he's made multiple 5 figures in a day, 20,000 on stocks, but he does stocks. He doesn't trade Forex, and he does it with algorithms, with robots that scan the whole market for the best strategies. Me, I'm a price action trader, a visualized trader who looks at the market. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. I hope you guys enjoy this strategy. I hope you guys enjoy seeing it live. The reason I put my stops above the high, the reason I took my profit at the low of that wick, and the reason I decided to hold and not cut my trade, as much as my mind was saying to cut the trade because I want to make a quick YouTube video, but that is it. Now I'm going to leave another live video on top right here, just so you guys can see another live example of me trading the markets. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching up to this point. Peace.